Waterdrop Countertop Water Filter System. WD-CTF-02 Installation Instructions. Firstly, take out the system and accessories. Then, remove the faucet's aerator and choose the right adapter to match your threading. How to choose the right adapter? If you have external threaded faucets, please connect the outlet valve, D, to the faucets. Make sure the washer between the faucet and the system is installed firmly. For internal threaded faucets, select the appropriate adapter, according to size. Connect adapter to faucet with a coin. Connect the outlet valve, D, to adapter. If you still cannot connect it properly, please contact customer service to get help. Next, tighten the filter housing, with a wrench, E, as shown in the figure above. Then put the water system in its proper position. Switch the lever to the level position and run water to the system slightly. In the end, flush it for 3–5 minutes during the first use. Now you have completed full installation. How can I use the filter after installation? Firstly, switch the lever to the downward direction to get tap water. Then, switch the lever to the level direction to get pure water. Please be aware of the following situation. 1. If there is water leakage at the connecting position between the faucet and the system, it is recommended to use a wrench to assist in tightening the nut on D, or use the Teflon tape inside the instruction package to avoid leakage. 2. There may be a small amount of black water during the first use. This is a normal phenomenon because of the activated carbon. Feel free to use the water after it becomes clear.